BF Homes is the place to be kung gusto mo magkaroon ng magandang bahay sa isang safe and flood-free subdivision. Kagaya nga nitong newly built modern house na to. May 3-car garage, may lot area na 209 square meters. Ang floor area nasa 290 square meters, fully air-conditioned. As in luxury home talaga, kumpleto na rin ang mga kitchen appliances. 3 levels to, may total of 5 bedrooms, plus maids room, tapos 3-car garage. Nanoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo kung gaano kalaki yung mga bedroom sa second floor, sa third floor. Ito na yung daily kitchen. O diba, ang nice talaga ng mga nilagay nila ng mga appliances. As in high-end. Call me for viewing na ha, yung price and details nasa description box below the video or nasa comment section at marami pa tayong magagandang bahay.